If you have a looper, whether it's a tabletop looper, an app, or one of the pedals, you're going to want to hear this. On my website, I have looping courses. There's How to Loop Like a Pro, there's the Boss RC 500 course, the Boss RC 600 course, and now I'm building the Sheeran Looper X course. Now the Sheeran Looper X course has a 40% discount, but that discount is going to disappear when this course is ready, and it's nearly ready. Now for those who are looking into looping and you've got the 500, the 600, is you're going to get 20% off. Now in order to get 20% off the 500 course, the 600 course, and How to Loop Like a Pro, which is already $48, all you need to do is put in the code SUMMER2025. Put that into the coupon bit in the checkout, you'll get 20% off the RC500 course, the RC600 course, and How to Loop Like a Pro. This is a huge sale, and that has also got a date on it as well, which is the same date as the 40% off for the Sheeran Looper X course. So everything, all the discounts end on Sunday, the 6th of July. Basically midnight on Monday, you've got until the end of Sunday to get that in, and then those discounts are gonna disappear. I wanna thank everyone who's signed up to all my different courses. We've had some great feedback, and if you haven't signed up to any, now is the time to do it, because you're gonna get 20% off for all the courses except the Sheeran Looper X course, which is gonna be 40% off. What a time to start learning looping with me.